Hey guys, welcome back. This video is all about unboxing and quick review on Lenovo mobile workstation. This is a P series model with Intel Xeon processor. Here we have the laptop. Let's open up the seal and unwrap. It's quite heavy with an approximate weight of 3.5 kgs. Box also has got the setup guide and warranty card. Let's also take out the adapter pack. The adapter feels a bit heavy as it is of capacity 230 watts. The size is 16.4 by 11.1 inches and the thickness is 1 inch. The bezel is made up of rubberized plastic with matte finish. From the first impression, it doesn't look slim or stylish and looks very bulky and heavy. It may land up little tricky for you if you want to carry on a travel. On the right, it has got the port for headphone, USB-A, 4-in-1 media card reader, USB-C and RJ45 Ethernet slot. On the left, we have USB-A and smart card reader. And at the back, we have one more USB-A, HDMI, 2 Thunderbolt ports and power input. At the bottom, we have the Windows certificate and the battery of 90 Wh is placed here. Since the system produces too much of heat, the base is made up of alloy and the heat sink ventilation is on bottom as well as on sides back for good heat dissipation. The hinge are on the body so you can open the screen flat with the keyboard. This is a 17-inch Full HD monitor. The keyboard is spill resistant. The keys are broad and convex, which gives good comfort to your fingers. It has also got fingerprint reader and the 2-watt stereo speakers are on the top. It has got 2 sets of left, right and center click buttons so you can have max comfort during the both typing as well as using touchpad. Also got the pointing stick here which can be used as a small joystick. The HD camera is 720 pixel with shutter option. This is an IR camera which can be used for Windows Hello. The mic is besides the camera here. Let's quickly connect to power and switch on. I am skipping clippings from the setup here and let me get you through the specs quickly. The operating system is Windows 10 Pro. The storage is 1TB SSD and has got 32 GB of RAM which is expandable. The system has got Intel Xeon processor with vPro and NVIDIA Quadro RTX 5000 series graphic card which is switchable. This allows you to work extensively on AI tools, Photoshop, animation and heavy CAD tools like Unigraphics, CATIA and Pro-e. I am running a video from NVIDIA site. With Full HD and resolution of 1920 by 1080, you can see vibrant colors and refined details. I would say the picture is crystal clear and flawless. I have no words to explain the perfection here. Next, coming to the battery life, the claim is 17 hours, which purely depends on the use of multiple softwares running at the same time. Next, on the sound quality, this is superb. Let me disconnect the headphones and let you hear a small demo. So guys, awesome right? So guys, in nutshell, with rated hardware specs and software configurations, if you are looking for a robust mobile workstation, this beast is engineered for top reliability which delivers true performance.